Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chim from Mazagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatigyan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer yan. Welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click the subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, maraming salamat pala sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng langit at may kapal. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Umpisahan na natin guys. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Cancer yan. Yun ang pinaka-messages sa'yo. And because there is a Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Long-term success and long-term investment. Magdadala sa inyo stability and control. No, ito yung security about sa finances. No? Magkakaroon ka ng, parang there's a potential, no? Na magkaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. At the same time, there's a Six of Swords. Transition. Makakaalis ka na sa mga negative energy, mga negative thoughts. And of course, there's a death card, there's an ending and a new beginning. Parang tinatapos na yung mga part na mga kalugmukan section sa buhay mo. Ganon. At the same time, there's a Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities. Or some of you, there's a confusion. No? May mga bagay na naguguluhan ka. Or parang nalilito or something na nagbibigay sa iyo ng parang worries. At the same time, get mo information. And of course, there's the magician, no? Kumbaga, there's a manifestation. May mga bagay na mamamanifest ka. Maraming stages or maraming mga eksena na mamamanifest mo. Maraming opportunities or maraming ganap. At the same time, there's the Wheel of Fortune. Umikot na yung kapalaran. Mukhang magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment dito. Kumbaga, this is the destiny and there's a good luck. So, what is the Queen of Wands? And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough, no? This is your moment. Breakthrough is tagumpay, no? Parang ito na yung tagumpay ng eksena mo. Magkakaroon ka ng seguridad dito sa tagumpay na to. So, what is the Six of Swords? There's a Ten of Cups. There's an happiness. Transition from lungkot-lungkotan stages. And of course, from, diba? Parang kang tumalon sa happiness. Parang bigla ang pagbabago dito. What is the Death card? And of course, there's a Five of Pentacles in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a recovery. This is the ending, no? Kumbaga, tinatapos na yung mga, kumbaga, gipitang station mo. Kumbaga, minsan, yung mga nakaraang araw or mga nakaraang panahon, kumbaga, nagigipit ka about sa finances. Parang sinasabi, this is the moment na parang makaka-recover ka na. So, what is the Seven of Cups? At the same time, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There is a big money or big opportunity coming in for you. Maraming ganap na makakakuha ka ng finances dito or resource of income, no? Kumbaga, marami kang pinagkukuhanan, no? At the same time, kumbaga, maraming dadapong swerte sa'yo. So, what is the Magician? And of course, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. O kaya, sinusuportahan ka ng ating universe rather ni God, no? So, what is the Ten of Pentacles and of course, the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Six of Cups, no? Kumbaga, there's a family. Kumbaga, there's a Wheel of Fortune na yung good luck. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. At the same time, there's a past person coming back na magbibigay sa'yo ng long-term success and long-term investment. So, what is the Queen of Wands and the Ace of Swords? Parang biglang may manunumbalik ditong ex, no? Parang bigla ang babalik, kasi biglang pangmatagalan na kagad. And of course, there is a Ten of Swords. Kumbaga, there's a recovery from the pain, no? Kumbaga, ito makaka-recover ka na doon sa nangyari sa yung, kumbaga, backstabbing or betrayal or deception or something, isolation, no? Kumbaga, ito ay parang pinapakawalan mo yung mga negativity. So, what is the Six of Swords and the Ten of Cups? What is the Six of Swords and the Ten of Cups? And of course, there's, okay. There is an Eight of Pentacles. About sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kailangan magpatuloy kayo at kailangan dedicated kayo dyan. Kumbaga yun magdadala sa'yo ng happiness. At the same time, there's a Three of Swords. Kumbaga maraming naiinggit sa'yo. No? Kapag parang ito na yung katapusan ng evil eye mantra. Parang tinatapos na yung mga naiinggit sa paligid mo na nagbibigay sa'yo ng parang blockages or kamalasan para bumabalik na sa kanila yung mga bagay na ginagawa nilang curse. No? So what is the Seven of Cups and of course the Ace of Pentacles? So, there's a King of Swords. There's an information na maging matalino at maging wise ka, no? Maging listo ka dito. Maraming oportunidad, maraming papasok sa'yo. Huwag ka magpapauto at huwag ka maging wise ka pagdating sa finances. Maraming taong lalapit sa iyo kapag alam na marami kang alam mo naman yung tao, 'di ba? Kapag may papakinabangan sa iyo, no? Kumbaga ganun talaga. Kumbaga lapit na laban, 'di ba? Pakali ganyan. Kumbaga kilala kapag meron ka, 'di ba? May ganun talagang tao. So what is the Magician? Of course, the King of Cups. And of course, there's a Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. No? Kailangan mo maging balanse dito. Maging balanse sa mga bagay na minamanifest mo. Kumbaga kahit na abot kamay mo na lahat ng mga bagay-bagay, stay on the ground, diba? So, what is the outcome? There's a Knight of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. At the same time, there's an information. No? Kumbaga, unti-unti na may sasakata para yung pangarap mo dito. And because there's a Page of Swords, there's an information. Parang uhaw ka pa rin sa mga knowledges. Kumbaga, gusto mo lahat matutunan mo. At gusto mo i-analyze ng mga bagay-bagay. Gusto mo madagdagan lahat ng knowledges mo. At the same time, there's an Empress card. Kumbaga, dito na magsisimula yung revert, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong negosyo, bagong trabaho, kumbaga, hanap buhay, o magkakaroon ka ng bagong pagkakakitaan, no? At the same time, there's a Star card, power of the deck. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga, unti-unti na isa sa katuparan. At, kumbaga, there's a wishes coming true. No? Wishes granted, ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na isa sa katuparan ni God lahat ng mga pangarap mo, ila-line up niya yan. So, what is additional messages for love oracle card? Para naka-align na lahat ng mangyayari sa'yo dito, T. So, what is the love oracle card? Healing heart. I told you, di ba? Kumbaga, there's a freedom from toxic relationship. At the same time, there's a healing for heartbreak. Or some of you meron, parang nagamot na yung mga sugat na nangyari sa'yo. Kumbaga, panloloko, kumbaga, betrayal, deception, or anumang yung disaster na nangyari sa'yo from the past. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, magkakaroon ka ng healing. And of course, there's a clock. Ibig sabihin, need time, takes time. In time and cycles, and of course, time to heal. No, kumbaga talagang magkakaroon ng progress lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Kapag naaayon na, no, sa panahon at pagkakataon, kumbaga, magagalingin ni God muna lahat ng mga sugat or mga nangyaring, kumbaga, betrayal or yung mga sakit, no, bago yan magsilbing kalakasan mo. Para sinasabi dito, the pain is your power. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. What is the yin and yang oracle card? What is the yin and yang oracle card? There is a celebration and gift, no? Talaga there's an abundance. Maaabot kamay mo talaga lahat. And of course, there's some messages and dreams, di ba? Kumbaga, ihahati dyan by message, by dreams. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a structure and solid foundation, team. Itong ipagkakalob sa'yo ay pangmalakasan at matibay. Hindi ka kagad mabubuwag. Hindi ka matitinan dahil matibay at malakas ang pundasyon mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, let's see. There's an astral trouble. So, there's an information, no? Parang inahatid sa ito by dreams, no? By dreams. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a snake release, no? Kailangan mo alisin yung mga ahas, mga traidor, para pakawalan mo yung mga negative energy. Kasi, kapag damor mo yung, kumbaga, pinag-i-stay sa mga hanay mo, no? Aanayin ka talaga or aahasin ka talaga. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo nang wasakin or alisin tong mga traidor na to sa buhay mo. No? What else? What is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a sensitivity. Kailangan sensitive ka lahat sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. No? At there's an environmentalism. I told you, sa mga nasa paligid mo, kailangan maging aware ka and protected ka, di ba? So, what is additional messages for Archangel Michael? Have confidence, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo and decide to be happy now. Kailangan mo magdesisyon na maging masaya ka ngayon, no? Hanggang kailanman. So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Raphael. Okay. There is an expected miracle. No? Mag-expect ka daw ng mga kagalingan. No? At anumang uri ng sakit mo ay mapagagalingin ito ni Archangel Raphael. And of course, there's a detoxification. See? Paglilinis ng sarili. Even ng mga chemical energy, mga chemical or mga toxins sa katawan mo. Kailangan mo mag-cleansing. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a failure. No? Minsan may mga pagkakamali tayo sa buhay natin na it's an opportunity pala, 'di ba? Na para matutunan mo, para ma-unlock yung knowledge mo dun sa bagay na 'yon. 'Di ba? What is additional messages? At the same time, there's a blame. Wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi sarili mo sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo. So let's see what is the energy. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an happy family. Magiging masaya daw ang pamilya mo. At the same time, there's an all tied up. Kailangan mong kumawala sa mga negative energy or negative thoughts. At the same time, there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Yung music mura mo, kailangan maging aware at kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga kinakain mo. Now, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Conclusion or within reach. Tama yung hinala mo. At tama yung pangamba mo. And confident is your key to success. See? Double clarification talaga na kinaklarify talaga na may confident dapat dito. No? Kumbaga, alisin mo yung pangamba mo, takot mo. And of course, surrender to the divine. No? Na lahat ng lahat ng mangyayari ay naka-align. No? So, what is the chakra? Chakra messages. There's an expansion. Mapalalawakin ni God ang kaalaman. Lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay mo ay palalawakin niya. And of course, there's a bitter and sweet. No? Kumbaga, pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis. Di ba? Doon mo mararamdaman yung tagumpay. And of course, there's an insecurity. Kumbaga, mayroon talaga naiinggit sa'yo na behind your back. Hindi mo man alam o hindi mo naman talaga gusto. Kumbaga, may lihim talaga naiinggit sa'yo. No? What is the Romance Angels? My God. What is the Romance Angels? And of course, it is safe for you to love. No? Mas safe daw sa'yo yung nagmamahal ka. Diba? And of course, open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. No? Kumbaga, tanggapin mo daw at maging open ka raw sa mga posibilidad pagdating sa love. Diba? Mas maganda yung nagmamahal ka daw, mas kinikilig ka at mas lahat nagagawa mo. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? And of course, well done and do good and faithful servant. See? Tapos na eh. Kung baga sinasabi sa'yo dito na maging ano ka na lang, maging tapat kang manlilingkod ng ating Panginoon. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, hindi niya man nakikita yan. At hindi mo man nakikita na nakikita niya yung mga bagay na yan. Kung baga sinasabi sa'yo dito na lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo ay there's a consequences. Kung baga kapag mabuti yung ginawa mo, mabuti ang balik. Kapag masama yung ginawa mo, masama ang balik. So what goes around comes around. At sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang magkakaroon ka ng healing, miracle, happiness, and of course, success coming your way. So guys, angel's number. My God, hindi ka na matapon. So what is the angel's number? There's a 777. So sinasabi dito, your purpose flows from this within you, and everything that is unfolding or being revealed to you is a part of your purpose, a state of peace and calmness in your soul. I am in the flow. So, ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga sumabay ka lang sa endigo o sumabay ka lang sa agos ng eksena, no? Yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, kumbaga hindi man na isa sa katuparan ngayon, pero there's an aligning or ina-align na ni God yung mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo in the next or in the current situation, no? Kumbaga sinasabi siya dito na yung mga bagay na hinahangad mo at yung mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari ay maisa sa katuparan at ma-reveal na sa'yo. So, what is the messages of life? So, there's a letting go. Yun nga yung sinasabi doon. Don't expect too much. And of course, don't expect, kasi nagkakaroon ng unexpected moment. At the same time, today I remembering that God is within me and around me. I release myself to God's hands and regain my inner peace. I know God is providing me that which is most beneficial for my soul. I know that God is sending angels to help me face my difficulties that arise. Let go into God's will, knowing the best is yet to come. So see, kung hayaan mong dumalo o hayaan mo si God na yung mag-process or gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay. Kasi kapag si God na yung, gumawa ng paraan, kapag si God na ang kumilos, nandun ka na sa aligning part na magkakaroon ka na ng success, no? May mga part na masakit na, masakit pagdaanan. Kapag mas masarap yung masakit pagdaanan, mas mahirap pagdaanan kaysa naman mabilis mo makuha, mabilis din mawawala. At least doon ka sa pinaghirapan mo, at the end of the time, matagal din siyang mawawala at hindi siya maglalaon kailanman. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8. For the sign of Cancer yan. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. So ay pagpalain kayo ng may kapal. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course location nyo kung asa man kayo ngayon, saan man sulok ng mundo, para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap natin. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!